I have a second channel, Cube Comp MTDX. Hey everybody, so it's Father's Day and I come home from a family getting together. I noticed that my heat pump is not cooling. The inside air handler was running, but the outdoor unit was not running. The compressor was not running and the fan was not running. So I thought to myself, oh great. And of course I got a freaking airplane. It's definitely wonderful living within 30 minutes of a busy airport. Anyways, come home, see this thing not running. I'm like, oh great, what could it be? So I pull off the back panel, and of course I have switched off power to this, to the outdoor unit. The defrost board is active though, because I did leave the air handler on. And I think I've already figured out what my problem is. So down there is the contactor. And I want you to look carefully. This is a 2-pole contactor. I replaced it back in late 2017. It's looking fine. But there is something down inside the contactor that's not allowing it to mate. So before I actually do anything else, I'm going to just double check to make sure there's no power on this. Okay, so I double checked, there's no power on the contactor, no power going to the supply, but there was a little bitty bug that landed on top of the mating surface of the contactor. So when your thermostat calls for cool or heat as well as a heat pump, this contactor pulls down and closes like that. And in the case of a 2-pole contactor, in order for this unit to run, both poles have to come down and touch. What happened, there was a bug. As mentioned, bug sitting right on top of the contactor. So while L1 was able to pull in, L2 was not. There was a bug between this contactor and L2, which did not allow the compressor nor fan to run. So, as you see, the contactor mates just fine now. And first thing I looked at is this defrost board has a happy face on it, which means it doesn't see any problem. We know it's getting power. So what I'm going to do now, since I don't have power on to the outdoor unit, I'm going to call for cool. So you'll hear the air handler come on in a moment. Let's walk outside and let's make sure the contactor is closing. I'm pretty certain that's our problem. It took me no longer than a few minutes to spot the problem. So as you see, the contactor is mating. And the defrost board has a C on it, which means cool. So I'm pretty certain we have found our problem. So I have power shut off to this outdoor unit at the breaker inside the house. So I'm going to put this panel back on. Yeah, it's stuff as simple as this can cause your air conditioner to stop working. Pesky little bugs, I tell you. I tell you guys, it's pretty hot out today. We had a break from the heat for a little bit. It actually almost got cold this past weekend. It got down to 52 for a low Friday morning, just for example. But it's almost 9 degrees outside right now, and we need air conditioning inside the house. So I'm going to go ahead and switch on the circuit breaker to this, and I'm pretty sure it's going to come on. That, guys, is all it takes to stop your AC from working. A stupid little bug gets in the contactor, stops the contactor from closing. Isn't that wonderful? Took me 15 minutes to fix. And we're back up and running. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Well guys, that's it for this one. But it doesn't have to be. There's plenty more videos on the channel to check out. Also, if you liked the video, please click the like button. And if you absolutely hated it, there is the alternative button as well. But yeah, please subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate it. And remember to click the bell so that we get notified of all updates. Also, if you're interested in things aside from computers and technology, check out my second channel. It's CubeComp MTDX. Over there you'll find videos about weather, elevators, bicycling, and pretty much whatever else I figure out to upload. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for your support.